how to close your Adobe account and cancel all services. So in here, the very first thing that you guys should do is cancel your active subscription. So you guys can actually log into your adobe.com, or you can actually get into its application. It does not matter, just make sure you're logged into your account. Then after doing that, you'll need to cancel all the paid plans. For that, you can actually tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and then from there, if you have bought any subscription, you can tap on that one, and then from there you can actually like cancel or cancel all the paid plans, right? So after doing that, now you can navigate to privacy. What you're gonna do is simply get into your adobe.com, and then from there you can simply tap on your account right here. You can tap on manage account, from where you will actually be able to get into your privacy. From there you'll be able to scroll all the way down. There you'll actually be able to find the delete Adobe account option. So what you're gonna do is keep on scrolling until you find that option. So after you do find that option, you can tap on it, and like I said, you will now successfully be able to delete your account after reviewing all of the warnings and confirming your account deletion.